We have the WORKPRO digital angle finder. This is 7 inches, 200 millimeters. Another cool thing about this is that it is stainless steel. All right, you guys. So as y'all know, I became a fan of WORKPRO. I love their products. I reviewed their drivers, lug nut driver, their hook driver. They have a driver where you can actually screw in hooks. That will be good for like your grandparents or whoever like hanging out flowers with hooks. That's cool. So I reviewed a lot of WORKPRO stuff. I will link all of that stuff at the end of the video. We have a battery, screwdriver, instructions, and then their lineup. Most importantly, you have your angler, which is in a case, a very nice case. Very nice. Go hook it up to your belt, pull here. So they might have a battery in here already. Look at that. So they already have a battery in there. So let's see, can we reset this? So I zeroed it out. Y'all see it? It's zeroed out. And now I am trying to get between here and lift up. This is awesome. No more guessing. Look at that. So right there, it's 180 degrees. That's what flat should be. So there you go. The DM button is basically changing your units from decimal degrees to decimal minutes. And then you have hold. So when you in your certain degree, and if you want to hold, you click hold, and then it will hold it for you. You will not lose your spot. And then you can hit hold again, and then you will lose your spot and go back. So we're just going to hit 0 again. You can go 360 degrees. The total length of this is like 8.5 inches. But when it comes to the measurement of your actual ruler, they have the 7-inch mark right there. You can lock it and unlock it. So when you unlock it, it's easy to move around. And then when you turn it righty-tighty, you're locking it so it can stay in place. Now, it don't like stay in place. So if you put force, it moves, but not when it's like real loose. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.